Hey Tech Motors family, this is a 2000 Toyota Estima. It comes with 64,051 miles. It is powered by the reliable 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This Estima is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the dash. We're going to take a look at this one and then we'll take a look up there. As y'all can see, the lights do come on, so you know we have not punched them out. And they do go away. All right. Oh, sorry. The number that you're looking at the bottom, 103,082. That is the kilometers. The miles on this car is 64,051. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We're going to start on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicles across the USA, you are in the right place. Driving to savings with Tech Motors, LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. Thank you guys so much for the continual support. We appreciate each and every one of y'all. It does mean the world to us. I pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day.